God is saying to you today, you have a thought in your mind. It might be making you stressed or worried about certain things in your life. When Daniel was thrown into the lion's den, there would surely be a chance of getting a thought of being killed by lions in Daniel's mind. But when you look at that point, instead of thinking about the lions, he prayed to me. He believed that I would protect him. Remember one thing, when a thought comes, if you think more about it, you are giving yourself a chance for the thought to grow in your mind. It will later make you worried or stressed about certain things in your life. Instead of thinking more about it, start praying about it. Your prayer in faith can change anything into a miracle. Have faith in me. I will never let things harm your life. When I said that, you may be thinking about the things that are happening around the world. Let me tell you about it. All the things that are happening are already written in my word as a sign for a great day. Everyone is forgetting about it, but you should not forget about it. Get ready, the time has come. Type yes